Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for your support. If you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so that you can learn so many things that is happening in this channel. Today we are going to make flower vases. You're welcome. Let us do it together. The flower vases we are going to make today, they can be a small business idea for you who is not doing business now, or you are looking for a small business. One thing about resin art, you can do it at home as long as you have a space and the passion to create something. For the one who is not thinking about business and maybe like some decor, to do your own decor customized the way you like them, it's also good to learn resin art. You can create something that you like maybe flower vases. It can be other kind of decor. There's so many kind of decors that you can do. And for those who are already doing this kind of art, please let us share what is the best part you like about epoxy. For me, I like when I'm mixing colors and doing the dirty pour. Yes, that is the best part I love about it. And demolding, I love to see the results. Yes. Also, what are the challenges that you're facing when you're doing this epoxy resin? For me, yeah, I had one challenge. Of course, when I was a beginner, it took me a long time to mix and decide which color I use. What should I make first? I wanted to make so many different things while I was still a learner. Yeah, I was so excited. Then, boom, it started curing while while I was still working. I overspent my working time. Yes. So what is your own challenge or experience? I would like to hear from you guys. For viewers who are not subscribed yet, please just don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Share to other people too so they can learn, they can see what's happening here. Yeah, we also learn together. Sometimes if you have idea and you don't know how to make it, maybe something that has to do with epoxy resin or with candles, just tell me on the comment section, then we do it together in this channel. The part that I love the most, look at it, it's so satisfying. For those who are doing resin art like me, tell me what inspired you to start this business, yeah, or to start this art, to learn and to start doing it. What really inspired you? For me, I like to have my own unique things, especially when it comes to decor and any art. I love art. And I love decors. So with epoxy resin, it was so satisfying knowing that I have my own customized things like these flower vases. The flower vases that you see most of the time that I do the shooting here in my videos, I made them myself. Look at this little thing here. Yeah, I love this one. I love it. Look, it's like marble. It's like, wow, look at that flowers. I'll be posting twice a week, so don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything. But that is for long videos and educative videos like this. But for the ideas and for things that I always make, I post the shorts every day, at least one short. So don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything. It can be just idea for you to do something, yeah, we don't run out of ideas in this channel. Please join me. Look at that part again. Another masterpiece. I hope you have learned something on our today's video and also got another idea of doing something. Maybe you wanted to do something new, or maybe you didn't have the idea of what you have made, so now you have the idea. I'm happy for you and I'm happy for myself. Look at that flower. I'm happy for myself. I'm happy for you who has been following me till this far. I hope you have enjoyed and learned a lot. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.